Hi, this is Nick Roush with Cool Trader Pro, and today I'd like to demonstrate a robotic trader that's just trading Dow 30 stocks 100% unattended. So this particular robotic trader in this demonstration is a simulation, and it's for educational purposes. This robotic trader has been running for about 14 months. So this one started in January 2012, and it is currently February 26th today. But this one here, it is had 7 stocks most of the time. It only has 6 right now because it closed a position the other day. But it's got Microsoft, Pfizer, AT&T, Alcoa, HPQ, and Intel. And the robotic trader made the decision which stocks to buy, and it is actively trading them. So this robotic trader has $28,356 allocated. It's averaged about $32,000 allocated over the last year. Now this one started with $50,000. You can see it's now up to $61,583, and funds available of $85,573. So the way this one's set up is if the stocks drop, the robotic trader will add more positions, and it is trading 100 share lots. So let's go ahead and run a report and demonstrate the power of actively trading the stocks. And you can set up your robotic trader however you like, but let's give you a quick demonstration of what the robotic trader can do for you. So this one started on 1/4/2012, opened up the first position at 11:39, and it closed it the same day at 3:46 p.m. and it was American Express. Long position. This is a long only strategy. And 47.78 it bought the first position for and sold it at 48.28. 100 shares, made about 50 bucks. DuPont opened 1/4, closed at 1/4. 46.48, 47.03, made 55 bucks. Disney 1/4, 1/4, and made $49. So you can see these are all of the trades that the robotic trader has done 100% unattended. So American Express, DuPont, Disney, Merck, JP Morgan, American Express, Citi, GM, Disney, Intel, Microsoft, and these are just Dow 30 companies that are less than $50. So here's page 2. There's about 23 trades per page, and page 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're on page 10 now, and the robotic trader's taken $16,364.34 in profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at the open position. So you can see we're down on the inventory $4,621. The net P&L just refers to the open positions that have not closed out profitably yet. So we would subtract the 4,621 from the 16,364, and that gives us about 11,583, and then you'd have to subtract out your trade fees depending on your broker. So let's go ahead and take a look at the strategy wizard. So you can very easily set your robotic trader to trade whatever time you want. This one's just set up to trade during regular market hours. And right here you can set the robotic trader and tell it how many shares you want to trade. This one's set for 100, max shares to purchase of 1,000. And max symbols to be purchased, that's set at 7. You can set it for whatever you want. Each one of these traders will manage up to 100 positions and $2 million. And then the closed open positions that have made this much profit, you can set this at the end of the day. Anything up more than whatever you want, you can set that, and the robotic trader will take the profit at the end of the day. Now we look at the watch list, and we've got our exchanges here, and then we've got one sector checked here, and a very simple rule: yesterday's close price is less than $50. You can set this for whatever you want. It's very easy to change anything, or you can use one of 500 indicators if you want to build a strategy from scratch. Now the next tab here is, it's got a simple rule in here that just is an indicator that it's using to determine if the stock is trending up at the time that it opens up the position. Then we have our add to current position rules, and this one here is set to add to the position if it has an opportunity to buy the stock after it drops 10%. So that's that there, and you can just change this to whatever you want for your strategy very easily. Now the next one here is the exit trade rules. We don't have any. We default over to the profit requirements. So this particular robotic trader is set for 3% is the profit goal with a minimum of 50 cents. So on 100 shares, 50 cents would represent about $50. So once it achieves the 3%, it doesn't just close it out right away. It continues to ride the stock up, and it will wait for a 5-cent pullback or whatever you want to change that to. And then we have another feature, which is called profit protection. Once we get to 1.5%, the robotic trader is going to lock on to that, and it'll continue to ride the stock up until it pulls back. Once it pulls back, it will go ahead and close the position and take the profit. Now we have a stop loss here and a trailing stop here. If you want to use these features, you can. It's all point and click, no programming required. And then we have a re-entry pullback feature here. So if the stock drops, if we just take profit, then it's got to drop at least 25 cents in the same day in order for it to buy another position. You can set that for whatever you want to. So that's the demonstration of the Dow 30 strategy, and thank you very much.